Good morning, gang. Another day, another adventure. Hope everyone's doing well. Today is a present. Living in the present is a gift. Enjoy. Weather here in Mexico is bipolar. Summer won't let fall come, but fall is ready, and I'm ready for fall. Not too fall, but ready for the season of fall. Want to know my opinions on excuse me, what it's like to drive, what it's like to own a Redeye. I bought it off the showroom floor 2019. It's been amazing. Fun to drive, very expensive to repair. The Redeye is basically a detuned demon. It has all of the internal parts of the demon, the 2.7 supercharger, all of the forged parts, the pistons, the rods, the chassis, including the motor, same motor. The only difference is the hood, and the ECU has been detuned. To restrict more air. This is a year that I'm considering doing, to start modding it up. I want a fiber carbon single drive shaft and get the Demon package, which probably put the horsepower, increase the horsepower from 797 to 1200. They're gonna hone out the ports, green belt. Well, this one already has a green belt. 2.85 pulleys. Install a diff brace. I'm also looking to install Cook's long header. Long tube headers on it. And of course, switch up the tires. So continue to rock with me as I transform this pumpkin. These motherfuckers are driving mad slow up here. Has to be a Ford. Some AC in this piece. Want to salute the members the people who have subscribed to the channel. It means a lot to me that y'all are rocking with me. But please like, share the videos. Help me reach 1,000 subscribers.